Okay, welcome Wildcats. Mr. Bell's Wildcat Math class. Doing the geometry review today. Make sure you click the like button at the bottom and subscribe. Turn on your, what's it called? Turn on your notifications so you know whenever we post new videos. Snap us out, tell your friends, whatever. Okay, so number one. Math teach vocabulary word to the picture. So, linear pair. Let's look at number 3. Angle AEB, that's this one here. And angle CED, what's this one there? That's not a linear pair, is it?
No.
What do we call that? That'd be vertical, right? So, that would actually be B. So we'll put a B here. B is P3. Let's try this one. Angle AEB and angle AEC. Linear pair?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what, A? What else we got up here? Angle bisectors. Let's look at number 6. It says angle ABC is congruent to angle CBD. So if those two angles are congruent, what do we know about BC? Angle bisector, right? So that is what? C? Next one, parallel lines. How about 2? These lines will never intersect, right? So that is D. And orthocenter. How do you form the orthocenter? The altitudes, right? That's not an altitude. Those are, it's going from the angle to the opposite side in the middle. So that's a median, right? About 5. Those are altitudes, right? It's like the height. So that is orthocenter E. And medians, P1, that forms the centroid. So that's it. Any questions on number 1? Okay. Number 2. We've got segment, got point A, point B, point C, and point D on there. And it says, wants us to name all the segments. So, one way I just start with point A and then name all the segments. So, segment AB, AC, and AD. And then I'll move on to the next point. So BC, and BD. And then move on to the next point, CD. I believe that's all of them. Obviously, if you named segment BA, that'd be the same segment. Any questions on number 2? So you should have 6 segments. Yeah? Okay. Number 3. Name all the possible lines in the given figure. So, all the lines. Okay, so I'll just start at U and go around counterclockwise. So line UW. Make sure you put arrows above. Show it's a line. Line YV. Any other lines? Are we good with that? All right, name all the possible rays. So let's just start with X and go around the corner. We can go XZ, ray XZ, XW, XV, XU, and XY. We got more, don't we? What, all of these started with an X and went out, right? What if it starts on the outside and goes through X? So YX or YV would be one, right?
WU.
So YX, UX, VX,
Would YV work?
okay, and WX. Okay, what was your question?
Would YV work?
YV, wouldn't that, array YV, wouldn't that be the same thing as YX, right? So I don't want to name it twice. If you want to do YV instead of YX, that'll work. I think that's it. Should be about 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, yeah. We'll go with that, number 4. All right, number 5. All right, they tell us that the distance from A to C is 72, and they want to know what the distance is from B to C. We got a segment. Segment AB is 2x plus 3, and segment BC is 5x minus 8. So, how would we set this up? Yes, ma'am.
2x plus 3 plus 5x minus 8 equals 72.
Perfect. Do you know what the name of the postulate is you just mentioned, or you used to set that up? Segment addition postulate, very good. Okay. Basically, AB plus BC has to equal the whole thing AC. So I'll combine some like terms.
Wait, why is it 5x minus 3?
Oh, 8, sorry, thank you. Combine some like terms, 3x minus 5 equals 72. And we'll add 5 to both sides. 3x equals 77. Oh, not 3x, 7x. 7x, and divide by 7. X is equal to 11. Now, what was the question they were asking us? What's BC? They're not asking us for X, right? So be careful. This is a multiple choice test. I guarantee you X is going to be, or 11 is going to be one of the answers. So be careful. They're asking for BC. BC was 5x minus 8. So 5 times 11 minus 8. That's going to be 55 minus 8. Is that 47?
Yeah.
So BC is equal to 47. Okay. Questions on the first 5? All right.